Hello?
Congratulations, Hagan. You've got your first case.
Morning, darling. Just wanted to give you a call to say I couldn't be more proud of you for how far you've come, how much you've managed to follow in your father's footsteps. I know if he could see you now, he'd be absolutely beaming. Go on then, go and make the country a safer place.
You the new guy? Detective Hagan. Cute. Let's see what you make of this then. We gathered that the two 17-year-olds were murdered at 12:37 AM last night, when they were home alone. The girl is the daughter of the woman who owns the place, goes by the name of Holly Adams. The boy, Michael Lyndon, is boyfriend. We didn't need to be too imaginative with their deaths, and we got a report of a live stream from the church's Instagram of the two teenagers being tortured. You got the video? Dude.
Holly Adams and Michael Lyndon, you have committed the sin of lust. You have stained the purity of God's creation, and it's now your job to atone for this sin. Michael and Holly, you can atone for this sin by taking your own life to cleanse the other. If neither of you do this, you both die.
Tell me what you think.
Well, to start with, there's no immediate signs of struggle. There's no cuts or bruises on their arms or head. Their pupils aren't dilated, so blows to the head's unlikely. I don't think Michael and Holly were forced into this position. They sat down willingly, they did not struggle. This means one or two things. Either there were multiple attackers who posed a greater threat to them, or, considering the attacker knew them and knew that they would be alone, they would take them to the bottom of the garden, to a more secluded area. I'm guessing they could have had a connection to these two.
Yeah, I remember my first case too.
Are there any fingerprints? Any hair? Any signs of DNA?
No, nothing.
Well, there must be something. You don't just break into a house and kill two teenagers and don't leave a shred of evidence.
Cut off one head and two will sprout in its place. Our efforts won't stop with the arrest of one man. Our message transcends more than a singular human form.
What are you doing?
We will cleanse
If they're
the
listening to
planet,
us with
sinner
a camera
by
microphone,
sinner,
and the
you will thank us,
electromagnetic waves
and join
will
us,
interfere
and
with
soon
the phone call.
everyone will be perfect as God intended. Single sinner.
Find out where this is going to.